My name is Gabriel, and I am a volunteer with ATPF. I currently attend Point Loma High School. Today, I will be showing you how to make a paper airplane, which takes little to no time and also takes little to no supplies. So, first step, you're going to want to take the two corners, and make it like this. And you're going to fold it on a flat surface and make a nice crease down the middle. Like that. You're going to reopen it like this and take each corner and fold it down. So I'll show you in a second. After that, what you're going to want to do is do that on both sides. And now after here, it's going to look like that. And then take it from there. Fold it again, but a little bit further this time. Make two wings just looking like this. Fold it down the middle. Spread the wings out just like this now. And it should turn out like this. So what I did, I took this, and then I folded it in half again. And then I brought the wings down on each side. And now you can fly.